everyone, this is Amy for the Children's Museum at Saratoga. Thank you for joining me for today's art adventure where we are going to learn how to make a pipe cleaner python. And they're very cute. So let's see what materials we're going to need today. For today's activity, you will need 2 pipe cleaners, 2 buttons, some beads, and a pair of scissors. So the first step is to take your pipe cleaner, and we are going to make the head of the snake first. So what we're going to do is take one of our buttons and thread it on to there, and then push it back a little bit. We're going to take our other button and do the same with that. And these are going to be the eyes. And then I'm going to take one bead. I'm going to use this little green one and put it on the edge. And then we're going to take this and bend it into a loop. Just like that to make the head. And we're going to put that bead down at the bottom. And then you're going to move your buttons into the spots for the eyes. There we go. Perfect. Now, what we want to do is take our other pipe cleaner. This one we're just going to cut a little bit off to make the tongue. So I'm going to take this much. It's about a thumb length of your pipe cleaner is what you want to use. We're going to take that, we're going to bend it in half so it makes a little V. Then I'm going to take the head of our snake, put that V right in the middle, and then you're just going to take those 2 pieces and give them just a little twist, once and then twice. And there we go. So now what we are going to do is put our beads on the rest of the snake. Just one at a time. You can use whatever color beads that you would like. I am using red, orange, and yellow beads. And you can do it in whatever pattern you like as well. I am going to just do red, orange, yellow, all the way down to the bottom. Just like that. So I'm going to let you keep threading your beads on. I'm going to do the same, and then we'll meet back here when we get to the bottom, and I'll show you what to do with the bottom. And there we go. Once you get to your last bead, you want to just put it on the bottom, and then you're going to take the end of the pipe cleaner and just loop it around that last bead, just like that. And there we go. Just loop it around the end, and then your little python is all set. So you can take it and put it in whatever sort of position that you want it to be in. There we go. Okay, thank you for watching today's art adventure. As always, feel free to like or comment or share our video, or if you do make our craft, share some pictures with us of what you do, and I will see you all next time.